My name is Richard Vogel. I'm with Revco Solar Engineering Incorporated, a Laguna Hills company, and been in business a little excess 30 years. Behind me we have an installation on a rather difficult application, Spanish clay tile roof. As you can see from the system and the tile around the installed system, you see no broken tile. We've installed this 6 kilowatt system on the front of Mr. Larson's home on a Spanish clay tile roof. And one of the preliminary requirements to install this system has been to remove the tile because they're extremely fragile. They really can't be walked on. So we have a roofing company come out and remove the tile in the area we're going to place the solar modules, and then install our feet, install the modules, and have the roofing company come back out and feather the Spanish clay tile in back around the system. It gives it a little more of an inlay look, and it's truly the only professional way to install a solar electric system on Spanish clay tile.